Hello there. I'm on a ladder. Look at that. I don't do ladders, but I'm on a ladder. Anyways, so I had to show you this. So my husband, he pulled out this wooden thing that was here when we got here. It's like for target practice. I'll show it to you. Yeah, he has it leaning against the shed, and I saw this here nest up top. Look how beautifully crafted that is. We did not put that there. It was actually just there. Well put together. And look what's inside. It's a turquoise blue looking egg. Isn't that pretty? Nice. Beautifully structured. Like, is this even real? Birds are very crafty. Very smart. Let's look at the details on that. How did they do that? Seriously, it's like they had little fingers or something. Look at that. That is just amazing. Don't you think that's amazing? It's beautiful. Look inside that bad boy. Look at that. That is the coolest thing I've ever seen up close in my whole life. We'll keep an eye on it. See if it hatches or anything. I mean, look at the twigs. It's like perfectly measured or something. Well, that's just me thinking outside the box there. But that is beautiful, though. Look at that craftsmanship. Birds are very, very beautiful and smart. Look at all those twigs. Seriously, dude. Look at that. Amazing. Alright, let me get off this ladder. I'm not one to get on ladders. I had to on this one. Look at that. It's pretty. Anywho. Hope you enjoyed that. Couple minutes. Bye.